Hi, me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's a little bit confused on the dashed or dotted line, trying to make them a half-inch line. If I go to hairline, mine is in points right now. So you can change it just for that one time with this selected and hit F12. Well, you've got to, if you don't have it selected, and so now I'm just going to change it for this one line, and I'm going to go to inches. I'm going to set it on a half inch. Then I'm going to set it on dotted or dashed lines, and I'm going to pick one that's all good. Now, but you can see they're not even. These are more to the top on the corners. If you'll go right here to fix dashes, now it's more even. And we can prove that they're a half inch. If we select it, go to object, convert the outline or object to an outline or outlines to an object, and then break the curve apart where you can select just one. And if you look, this line is a half inch thick and it's perfect. And then I would always, before you do that, and if, just make sure when you have your F12, make sure you scale with object. Because if you don't, those lines are going to get quite thick. Or too thick if you go down a little. So if you scale it with, now they're no longer a half inch, but it does scale with object. Hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.